Hello, my beautiful Cancerians. Welcome to your mid-month energies. General energy loves, take it accordingly. Might highly resonate with you. Might be here and there a message. For some of you, just going through this solar eclipse in Aries or the new moon in Aries, you feel like the new year, it's just begin. And yes, many cultures, when we go back years, definitely this were the beginning of the year with starting the Aries season or with the new moon in Aries. Let's see, loves, mid-month energies, what you should look for, what you should embrace, what energies we should know at this time, and maybe how to process them or how to embrace, hug. Let's see, darlings. Ace of Cups underneath. Speaking of, there is another zodiac sign, not sure which one, but also got this Ace of Cups. And it feels here like a blessing in the sky, which I'm hearing. For some of you, there is love coming in, or new love, new opportunity. For some of you, is the perfect time for you to do something. And of course, we do still have the Mercury retrograde right now. And also it's in Aries. However, Mercury retrograde is from the 1st till the 25th of the month. So within 1 month, as we speak right now, or within this month, you definitely are gonna have something to do. Yeah, look at here. Knight of Cups, Two of Swords, Six of Wands, the Emperor, Seven of Wands, Page of Wands. For some of you, you are dealing here with an Aries, Leo, or a Sag. I have Aries, I have Leo energy. Could be a Sag as well. But somebody here, it's very hard to get to, or just give you a hard time to get to them. But it seems here they do want you. Okay, yes, they might even show you that, hey, I'm busy, I'm working, I am, keeping my stuff, but it's kind of your persistence will be needed. If you really want this person, you gotta be persistent. I feel here they might reject you at once, or in the first, or in the beginning. But if you keep persisting them, yeah, they do want you. There's something here about this person. They might be slightly younger, or there's some kind of difference between you two. But there's a part of them, it's very vulnerable. They don't really like to be seen in love, or this person is kind of like, my way or no way, but I'm doing me, and I don't really, but there is a soft spot that everybody has that. You just need to find the soft spot. Because I feel here this person definitely has certain things out there. Six of Swords. For some of you, this person might recently move away from someone, or recently end something, and feels if they are hard to get, they definitely still kind of going through some stuff. Okay. Eight of Pentacles, the Hierophant, Queen of Cups, Magician. It's kind of you both manifest each other. You not probably know whatever here they are gone through or went through, but it's kind of this person is not as easy or not as soft. They definitely here feel like whoever here will stick with me or fight for me or be at my own level or have that light, they definitely deserve me. There's something here about that. Look at here. Ace of Pentacles. They could be recently single. That's what I'm getting very loud here. They could be throwing themselves into work. because of past experiences. Okay, you might be quite confused, like what I don't do wrong, what I don't do right, or what's wrong here. This person financially, they may have a lot of, luck, or they could work hard and definitely they gain great finances, but they're not happy like on the emotional level. But it seems here for many of you, you could be the one who will move away them from whatever they've been through. But it seems here, if you are giving them a sense of security, they definitely can see other things. Let's see here the Seven of Cups. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune, Jupiter. Yeah, it's kind of you are the catalyst for this person, helping them to move on with their life, move on from some kind of heartbreak. For some of you, vice versa. Someone is here for you. You might throw yourself into work and such things. For some of you, you might deal here with someone who were either married, either engaged with someone, but they break off the engagement here. Okay, so they still have something to deal in from the past. The Six of Swords, Nine of Cups, Page of Swords, the Devil. For others of you, this could be an workaholic person. They always strive for more, to learn more. For some of you, this person could deal here with someone who also could work a lot, but also someone who had certain drug addictions or drinking addictions. Somebody here were addicted to something and they ended. So yes, definitely here something was very hard for them, but it's over. For some of you, it's you who move away from someone. The Five of Cups here, Six of Pentacles, Seven of Swords. Yeah, somebody here gone through some kind of connection here that they found out too late, or very late. Look at here, we have the Empress and the Emperor. Somebody here also could be cheated, as we have the Empress and the Emperor. Okay, yeah. So will you to fight for it? Are you willing to fight for this person or for this connection, or vice versa? Will they fight for you? If we are switching the characters here, what's the insights? I have a Tower. We have the Knight of Wands. We have the Sun. What I'm feeling here is kind of keeping the things simple. That will make a huge difference. I don't feel here this person want to jump on you, having intimacy or things like that. They are not interested in that. They're interested in something simple. Keep it simple, keep it small, things like that. It's kind of like they gone through hell and back, so now they are happier with the kind of like not a complicated life. That's why they want to keep it. So if you are gonna keep it simple and get to their heart one step at a time, they definitely will be there for you, and they will know who is truly there for them or who truly wants to be with them. Yeah, because deep down something here is dormant. It's like their happiness or that happy person kind of it's hiding away, or it's blocking away. It's kind of you don't want to scare them with too much stuff. Yes, they have trust issues right now. That's why they need healing or they need some time. So if you Cancerians want to keep it small or keep it simple and, earn their trust and be there for them, then yes, there is a huge opportunity for you to move forward into something great. Sometimes people go through certain stuff that it's like, sometimes I can imagine how many of you, especially those of you who write the emails, like, I've been through this, like, not even in the wildest dreams I could imagine some go through that. But yes, we never know what people going through this life. That's why I always say, never judge, you never know. And believe it or not, never ever anyone wants to be in somebody's shoes. One advice for you: Two of Cups. I feel here you love this person, or vice versa, as I will say. But I feel here this could be a very great connection between you and this person. So it's kind of giving them unconditional love, unconditional support, being there for them. Yes. But I feel here to break the ice, you will need to work a little bit and be firm with the King of Swords, or be clear for what you want. Seven of Pentacles, Lovers, and the Fool. Again, if you are gonna support this person or choose to not complicate things, with the time or with certain time, you will know that things change a little bit or a lot. And yeah, here we are, loves. Thank you for watching. This is the mid-month energies for you. Love and light, and I'll see all of you next time. Bye for now.